Why finishing defines perception. A corrugated box is not just a utility product, it's a visual representation of your brand's professionalism and attention to detail. Whether you're shipping FMCG goods, footwear, or industrial components, the quality of your packaging leaves a lasting impression on your customers. However, even the strongest corrugated box can look unrefined if the finishing is poor. Rough edges, frayed cuts, or warped shapes reduce the overall appeal and create problems in folding, pasting, and stacking. One of the primary causes of poor finishing is moisture during the cutting stage. Cutting is a precision process. The blades in the rotary or die cutting machine are designed to slice through firm, dry sheets with uniform resistance. But when moisture content is high, several things go wrong. Fiber expansion. The paper absorbs water, causing fibers to swell. As a result, blades drag through the sheet instead of slicing cleanly, producing fuzzy or jagged edges. Loss of rigidity. Moist sheets are softer and less stable. This leads to inconsistent creasing and folding problems later in the process. Uneven adhesion. When cut edges are irregular, gluing and stitching alignment becomes inaccurate. Boxes fail to seal properly or open up during use. Essentially, moisture doesn't just make boxes weak, it makes them look unprofessional. The domino effect, how poor finishing impacts operations. Once finishing quality drops, the issues compound across multiple stages of packaging production. Reduced assembly speed. Poorly cut boxes require manual adjustment during folding or stitching, slowing down assembly. Higher waste percentage. Boxes with torn or misaligned edges are often discarded, increasing raw material wastage. Delayed deliveries. Manual rework or recutting extends lead times, causing shipment delays. Weaker structural strength. A box that's poorly cut and glued is less resistant to compression and stacking, increasing the risk of damage during transit. Why manual drying and cutting amplify the problem? Manual cutting methods are highly sensitive to moisture variations. Operators often work with semi-dried sheets in order to save time, especially during peak production cycles. Unfortunately, that short-term gain causes long-term losses. Sheets may feel dry on the surface but retain internal moisture. The bottom layers of stacked sheets often stay damp and warp under pressure. During manual feeding into the cutting machine, sheets may curl or bend, affecting precision. This inconsistency results in uneven die impressions, rough creases, and poor folding, compromising both aesthetics and function. The ASPV advantage in finishing quality. Clients who switch to ASPV corrugated boxes often notice an immediate difference in finishing quality. Visibly smoother edges, no roughness or tears. Perfect folding and creasing, boxes assemble faster and hold their shape longer.